program is gonna begin. So I request for your kind attention, please. A hearty welcome to all the dignitaries day to think of how far flung we have come and how far we have to go. Along with multifarious struggles and drums, there is much more to thrive and much more to show. Let's rejoice the majestic journey this establishment had up to now. Let's raise a toast to make it even better. Let us take a vow. Good evening to one and all present over here. Our honored management, well-acclaimed chief guest and guests of honor, all treasured invitees, revered teachers, parents, and of course, our startling students. How lovely is this day, and so does the ambience and aura surrounding it. Soon the colors of this merriment will unfold and will transport us to another world. We are all joined together as a family to reveal addition of another milestone of our accomplishment in the history of one of the leading institutions of Banavara, that is Gurukula International School. We are here to celebrate our 7th annual function, GIS Utsav 2023-24. I, Romana V. Sultana of Class 10, welcome you all on the behalf of entire. Now, it's time to salute our state and national anthem. I place my request with everyone to stand and salute to national anthem, which will be played by a band troupe. take your seats. 2023-24 is the concept of pulsating and appreciating the imaginative instincts and acts of brilliant and talented students of Gurukula institution to bring out their hidden aptitude. The prophecy of our 7th annual day 2023-24 has yet again delivered the students a level of enhancement it takes along with it. It's a day of out and out unsullied portrayal of flair and robustness of our nascent scholars. This is a platform to bring into the line with our vision, which states that not only the scholarly development of an individual is important, but the development of complete persona, which helps students to stand out in the competitive professional environment. GIS prides itself on the quality of its educational programs, professionalism of its staff, the enthusiasm of its students, and the high level of support provided by parents and community members. We are an open school, and we actively seek participation and involvement from the whole school community. The school values are a high standard of teaching and learning, a safe and welcoming environment, family and community involvement. When you look back at your life and remember your school days, you probably would know that those days were the best and the most memorable days of your life. Life gets harder as you grow older, but the very essence of the word school brings smile on everyone's face. Sometimes recalling those early morning classes, inspiring cultural activities, funny tours, and parties with best pals even brings tears in your eyes. Enjoy the beauty of your school life. Dear audience, we have gathered here for what you call a very fun-filled evening. This evening belongs to you and your children, the children who have set their heart and soul for last 4 weeks and have made this look possible. So I want a big round of applause for your own children, please. To begin, I would want to offer my gratitude to the Almighty, whose generosity and graces have resulted in the seamless running of such a spectacular event. It is His love and grace that drives us for perfection in all of our endeavors. It is the mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Like the great philosopher Soren Kierkegaard once said, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. I would like to call upon Kumari Imani, Pranati and group to pray for us.
स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम् महादेव प्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं
So, to welcome all our dignitaries, I call upon Akshata Vinod Fartare of Class 10 to formally welcome the gathering.
I'm honored to welcome you all on this day, where we will be celebrating our school's achievements. I, Akshata Vinod Fartare of Class 10, welcome you all on behalf of Gurukula family. We are truly blessed with your presence. A warm and pleasant evening to all those who have gathered here. Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. Today is a special and memorable occasion. On that, we will remember in the year ahead. If there are no stars, there won't be any beauty in the sky. If there is no difference in opinion, there won't be any creative and innovative ideas. Similarly, if there is no annual function in our school, there won't be any chance for our young and dynamic friends to uphold the pride of the institute, to catalogue the challenges we face, the endeavors we made, the success we achieved, and to show that what we were, what we are, and what we will be. Here am I, hence much privileged to stand before you to extend profound wishes and greetings from the bottom of my heart, to bring the warmth of our affection through the stream of love, to welcome each and every one of you. It is time for yet another day to exhibit the talents of all our children, to bring to your kind notice their academic excellence and the medals they bagged in their outstanding performance in sports and the grades they achieved in extracurricular activities and in everything they speak and perform today as the cultural feast unfolds. We are extremely happy to have you with us today, to share our joy and delightful moments of the day, and to be the part of what we are. Wishing you all once again a happy and memorable stay. I remain. It is the time to chill, to cheer, to shine, to inspire, and to be inspired. It is honored to be surrounded by so many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship of this gracious occasion. Firstly, I'm extremely very happy to welcome our Honorary President, Mr. Anand Murthy GB, Honorary President of Gurukula Education Trust, Banavara, and social worker and an enthusiast in politics. To have such a social worker with us is our luck, and I extend my warm welcome to him on behalf of the school, management, staff, students, and the entire. A warm welcome to him with loving hearts of all. A warm welcome to you, sir, to this prestigious program. Thank you, sir. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. In the light of the above statement, I'm much eager to introduce you an inspiring personality, the greatest orator, trainer, and the awardee of Best Trainer of India. Mr. Chetan Ram R.A. is in front of you and is the chief guest of our today's event. On behalf of the entire, I welcome you, sir. Now, I'm much thrilled to speak few words about Mr. Chetan Ram sir. Mr. Chetan Ram R.A. is a renowned international trainer on personality development and has been working towards developing individuals over the past 40 years. Mr. Chetan Ram has trained over 1 million people across. Sri Chetan Ram has trained teachers, professionals, students, parliamentarians, members of voluntary organizations, corporates and businessmen and many more in the last 40 years. Mr. Chetan Ram founded Parivartana School and College in Srirangapatna in 2015 and he is presently the Dean and Managing Trustee of Parivartana Group of Institutions. With 9 years of Parivartana brand as an educational institution is empowering more than 2,000 students in 3 campuses. Sri Chetan Ram is honored with many states and national awards. Dasra recognition, Guru Puraskar, Ravi Puraskar, Parivartana Shilpi, which are given by various organizations. The prestigious Ravi Puraskar National Award as the Best Trainer of India was awarded to Sri Chetan Ram in 2005 by JCI India, which is the only worldwide federation for young leaders and entrepreneurs. Also awarded with India Priyadarshini National Award in 2013. Sri Chetan Ram is a great motivator of our times and has used every available medium of writing, print media, radio, television and public programs to create awareness on personality development. He has given hundreds of programs in various television channels on aspects of empowerment. Chetan Ram is the first success coach in India to bring diploma and PG diploma programs for public recognized by Kuvempu University Shivamogga and diploma in personal management for technical students recognized by Vishveshwaraya University, Belagavi. Chetan Ram has written and published 25 books and 10 audio series on self-development and values. Chetan Ram's contribution in the field of education is remarkable. In the last 30 years, he has trained over 1 million students and teachers across the state and nation on success, teaching skills, personality development, and study skill. His famous book and audiobook, Exam is a Festival, Celebrate, is the Bhagavad Gita for students on study skills. The plethora of various life skill programs and workshops cater to the needs of all segments of society, from students to teachers, from employees to entrepreneurs, from homemakers to social workers, from professional to public speakers, from executives to corporate, and many more.
ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಭದ್ರಾವತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 32 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿ ಕಳೆದ 25 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೂಲತಃ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸಮುದಾಯದಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಇವರು 20 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಈಗ ಸುಮಾರು 40 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಯುವಜನರಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯಕವನ್ನು ಸದುಪಯೋಗಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಸುಮಾರು 36 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ವಿಕಸನ ತರಬೇತುದಾರರಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ದೇಶ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತಾ ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನತೆಗೆ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ವಿಕಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಕಾಯಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರತರಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ 10 ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು, 100 ಲೇಖನಗಳನ್ನು, 10 ಧ್ವನಿ ಸುರುಳಿಗಳನ್ನು, 100 TV ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ತಾವು ನಡೆದ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಜನರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನರನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ ಯಶೋಗಾಥೆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪಥ ಇವರದು. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹತ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರ ಬದುಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಪರರ ಬದುಕು ಸಾರ್ಥಕವಾದ ಅನುಭವ, ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿಯ ಭಾವ. ಇವರ ನಡೆಗೆ ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ನಮನ ಸರ್. ಕಳೆದ 7 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಪರಿವರ್ತನಾ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಲಿಕೆ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಪರಿವರ್ತನಶೀಲ ನಡೆಗೆ ಇವರ ನಡೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ತರಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವರ ಬರವಣಿಗೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದವುಗಳೆಂದರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೆಂದರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಚೇತನವಿರಲಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ತರಲಿ, ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸಿ ಎಂಬಂತಹ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರತಿಗಳು ಮಾರಾಟಗೊಂಡು ಓದುಗರ ಬದುಕು ಧನ್ಯವೆನಿಸಿದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮತ್ತು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಕೌಶಲದ ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡಿ ದಡ್ಡರಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಓದು ಜಾಣತನ, ಅಂಕಗಳಿಕೆ ಕೌಶಲವಷ್ಟೇ ಎಂಬ ಕುಶಲತೆಯ ಮಂತ್ರದೀಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡಿ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಈ ಮಹತ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿವರ್ತನಾ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ, ದಸರಾ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಗುರು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ್ ಮುಂತಾದವುಗಳಲ್ಲದೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ತರಬೇತುದಾರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ರವಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ್, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಪ್ರಿಯದರ್ಶಿನಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು ಸಂದು ಇವರ ಬಹಳ ನಡೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಿ ಚಿರ ಹುರುಪು ತುಂಬಿ ನವ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಿಲುಮೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಪರಿವರ್ತನಶೀಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಯ ದೀಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಗತ, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ an entire Gurukula family and the parents. I welcome once again Sir Chetan Ram sir. Thank you, sir.
An inspiring personality, Mr. B. Mohan Kumar, Block Education Officer at CKD. He belongs to Timmalapura in Kadur Taluk, Chikamagaluru district. He is serving the Education Department in the cadre of Block Education Officer at our taluk from July 2022. We are very fortunate to have him with us this evening as the special invitee. We extend an affable welcome to you, dear sir. Thank you, sir. Come another special invitee, Mr. Suresh C.S., Public Sub-Inspector, Police Station, Banavara. He belongs to Chikkagauja district in Chikmagaluru district. He is serving the police department in the cadre of Police Sub-Inspector at Banavara from June 2023. A warm welcome to you, sir, to this prestigious program. Thank you, sir. Next, I am extremely very happy to welcome our President, Mr. Ravi Shankar B., Honorable President of Gurukula Education Trust, Banavara. A warm welcome to him with loving hearts of all. A warm welcome to you, sir, to this prestigious program. Thank you, sir. Further, one tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal, and one candle can wipe out darkness. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others is an art. Secretary Mr. Raju CJ does not set out to be a leader, but becomes a special one by the equality of his actions and integrity of his intent. We are really blessed to have a secretary like you. With a thankful heart, we welcome you, dear sir. I extend my heartfelt welcome to Mr. Raju CJ, Secretary of Gurukula Education Trust, Banavara. Thank you, sir. Further, my welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Jagdish BT, Vice President of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. My welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Nataraj Yamyu, Joint Secretary of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. My welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Srinath P., Treasurer of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. My welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Dinesh Kumar GD, Director of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. Welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Nadig Nagbhushan, Director of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. My welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Raghunath PR, Director of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. My welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Chikana BR, Director of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. My welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Lokesh BG, Director of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, my welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Mr. Chaitanya Santosh, Director of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, madam. Thank you, madam. I heartily welcome Mr. Girish, Education Coordinator, Block Education Office, Arsikere. On behalf of the entire, I welcome you, sir. So, next, welcome address goes to our respected and beloved Principal, Mr. Vijay Kumar BB. On behalf of the management, staff, students and the entire, I welcome him with loving hearts of all. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thanks, sir. To the world, you may be the person, but to one person, you may be the world. With immense pleasure, we welcome our dear parents. We do cherish your partnership and collaboration in all our endeavors. We treasure your love and concern towards our second home. Your esteemed presence amidst us today make us feel proud. Welcome, dear parents. Last but not the least, I welcome the press people, media, police staff, Chescom Banavara, stage and sound system people for their helpful hand for the successful conduction of the program. A warm welcome to you all. Finally, my welcome address never has an end without welcoming our lovely students and staff of GIS. A pleasant welcome to you all, my dear staff and students of GIS. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes a difference, said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ceaseless flow of thanks from my heartbeats may turn into dillage, which I know my pen would love. As always, thank of the level of immense propensity to all the luminaries on stage. Once again, and also to all the parents, guardians, guests, and tons of untiring efforts of endless number of students and teachers. Once again, we welcome you all. Welcome, welcome, and welcome.
It cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. Let us wish this light of education takes over the darkness of differences, injustice and violence in the world and guide us towards progress, equality and freedom. Saraswati Mahabhage, Vidya Kamala Lochane, Vidya Rupe Vishalakshi, Vidyam Dehi Namostute. Oh, lotus-eyed Mother Saraswati, kindly bless us with knowledge and humility. Like every other auspicious occasion, let's start this event by offering our prayers to Ma Saraswati and conduct our customary lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge. I now request all the dignitaries on the dais to light the lamp and symbolically inaugurate the program.
Jagdish BT, Vice President of Gurukula Education Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Give a call to our beloved Secretary, sir, Mr. Raju CJ, to spread his views in the working part of Gurukula. Please, sir.
ಉತ್ಸವ 2023-24ನೇ ಈ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಸರ್ ಚೇತನ್ ರಾಮ್ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ದಿವಸದ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಅತಿಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಸರ್ ಬಿ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸರ್ BEO ಅರಸೀಕೆರೆ, ಇವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಗುರುಕುಲ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ. ಸರ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ CS ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಣಾವರ, ಇವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹಾನರಬಲ್ ಗೌರವಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ GB ಆನಂದಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರ ಸಾರ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಗುರುಕುಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ದಿವಸ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಅರಸೀಕೆರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ನಲ್ಮೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಗುರುಕುಲ ಉತ್ಸವ 2023-2024ನೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವುದು ಸಂತೋಷ. ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಕನಕದಿಂದ ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗದು, ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಮದದಿಂದ ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗದು, ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಸೊಕ್ಕಿನಿಂದ ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗದು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಅಹಂಕಾರದಿಂದ ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗದು, ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಒಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗದು, ಮುಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗದು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಗುರುವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗದು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಹ ನೂರಾರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಆಸರೆಯಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಜ್ಞಾನಾರ್ಜನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರುವುದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಕುಲ ಶಾಲೆಯು 12 ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು 2006ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿ ಅಂದು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ 165 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಇದರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 600ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ತರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 2012-13ರಲ್ಲಿ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು 11 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ಗಳು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ 12ನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 24ರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಶುರುವಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೆಯಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 16 ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬಸ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ವಸತಿ ನಿಲಯ, 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಆಟದ ಮೈದಾನವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಸ್ತಾರಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾರಣೀಭೂತರು ನಮ್ಮ 12 ಜನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಗಳು. 12 ಜನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆನಂದ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು ಆನರಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು, ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು, ಜಗದೀಶ್ BT ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು, ರಾಜು CJ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ, ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್ P ಟ್ರೆಸರರ್, ನಟರಾಜ್ MU ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ, ನಾಡಿಗ್ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ GD ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕಣ್ಣ BR ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ರಘುನಾಥ್ PR ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಲೋಕೇಶ್ BG ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಇವರ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಈ 12 ಜನರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪೋಷಕರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಪಠಣ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ಕು, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸು, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗು ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸಕಲೇಶ್ಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ CBSE ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬಹುಮಾನಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಪಡೆದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋಷಕರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಲು ನೀವು ಸಹ ಉತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ M1 ಇಂದ 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೊಸ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾದರಿಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದುವರೆದಿರುವುದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂತೋಷ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರ ಮುಂದೆಯೂ ಸಿಗಲಿ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣೀಭೂತರಾದ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Wow, the school's much awaited history has revealed by our secretary, sir. Thank you, sir, for your views and vision on Gurukula. We feel proud about our school and we assure the greatest support to you all. Once again, thank you, sir, for your words. Dear audience, the program is live on YouTube. Please convey to your loved ones by sharing the link. Thank you. Henry Ford says, "Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success." It was indeed this mantra of working together that has brought us where we are today. Collective work is the secret behind the progress that Gurukula has seen now. I request Mr. Vijay Kumar BV, Principal, to read out the progress report of Gurukula for the session 2023-24.
Good evening to one and all present over here, respected dignitaries on the dais, my dear colleagues and my dear parents and my dear students. As the day ends with a golden light, the stage is set for a wondrous sight. Let us drink and breathe a cupful of togetherness, and surely in this way, when the sun is about to set today, let us remember till eternity these hours of togetherness spent in peace and amity. Human life is a wondrous journey where we encounter innumerable people, events, and cherish a million memories. This annual day is a celebration of human emotions, human achievements, human failures, and finally, the spiritual upliftment of man. Everything is flowing, the great river of time takes everything within it, and nothing in this world remains unchanged and stabilized. So, one more year change in the calendar, we have met again for the gala. At Gurukula International School, Banavara, we strive for excellence with sincerity of purpose, independence of thought and action among our children, and developing sensitivity to others' well-being and feelings. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school undoubtedly, but also makes us think deeply about our shortcomings. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and many more. Each year, Gurukula holds the annual prize distribution ceremony to honor those of its students who have made the school proud with their brilliant efforts, not only in the academic field, but also in the co-curricular activities and other things. The philosophy of the school classes of one generation will be the philosophy of the government in the next. I wish to begin with our performance on the academic front. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of our endeavor as educators. Academic achievements reflect a demonstrated ability to perform to the best of one's ability by developing one's intellectual potential and skills with diligence and ardor. We are happy to share the details of commendable performances of our class 10 students in the past years. In class 10, the results of academic year 22 and 23 was 100%, with students securing 90% and above by Dhanush TS, Manmit Shetty, Varshini MD, Kusuma R and Girish Patel, with the changing question paper patterns of CBSE examinations, making us elated for their achievement. The total students were 26 in the year 22 and 23. All of them, along with their parents, are awarded as the function proceeds. In the past year, the results was also made us feel proud about our school, and I'm eager to share with you all that the academic year 2019 and 20, with the strength of 21 students, the results was 100% with a meritorious performance in social science, which made by Meghana GD made a perfect 100 in the subject. In the succeeding year 2020 and 21, due to pandemic, exams were cancelled, but results were calculated based on their previous performances and the results of the school's past year. We achieved again 100% without any obstacles with 21 students in it. The next academic year 21 and 22, once again elongated pandemic made the CBSE to split the education calendar into 2 terms with the different patterns of evaluation, and here also we reached again 100% results with the 19 students. Congratulations to all our high achievers. The sports competitions inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for the life ahead. Sports and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Our students actively participated in different sports competitions and won medals and certificates in the CBSE Hassan Schools sports competitions organized on 29th of August by Mount Carmel School, Belur, 24th November by Vidyasoda Public School, Hassan, and on 29th November by JSS Public School, Bhage in Sakleshpur. The students of the school are divided into 4 different houses, which mean Earth, Mars, Jupiter and Venus. Each house is managed by teachers, and students has house captain and house vice captains. The house on duty performs its duty of day-to-day activities, competitions in systematic manner, and we have well-equipped laboratory and also library, and we have a vast playground. Then, so as like the previous year, this year was also filled with lot of celebrations. So with these celebrations include Environment Day, Yoga Day, Green Day, Sri Krishna Janmashtami, Independence Day, Guru Purnima, Kannada Rajyotsava, Children's Day, Teachers Day, and today that's Gurukula Utsav of 2023 and 24. In the keeping with the policy of the school's continuous upgradation of knowledge and skills, our teachers attended various workshops, seminars organized by the school and other, so into their academic transaction skills and this transacting them with our kids. Then another thing, that our teachers and students participated in the Prime Minister's Pariksha Pe Charcha in 2023 and received the commendable certificates by the Prime Ministry Department. Then we at Gurukula, to provide a collective quality education to our rural students of vicinity of Banavara, we partnered with LEAD Program of Education Services, the system which is completely providing technology-based education to all our kids with the practical knowledge is sharing with our students. Then this day, I, on behalf of the management and the entire, I assure you that we strive to bring much more assistance, practical knowledge and many more to our kids and parents with additional infrastructure, human resource in the succeeding years. You trusted us and we committed to your trust. We seek your present cooperation even in the future also. I hope you will enjoy today's program as a program which begins soon. Thank you one and all.